I like the very. It's literally it's a heart-shaped robot.
It's my version of a combat robot.
I wish she'd debut it at a February event, but well, you take what you can get. All right, both teams, are you ready? All right, both teams are ready. Right? So you're ready for this fight? 3, 2, 1, fight! All right, Angry up speed. A triangular plow in the front of Leona should make for a bit more easy deflection of horizontal spinners. It's probably the worst possible fight that Angry Bird could have asked for in first round, already taking some chunks of 3D printed collar out of the chassis of Leona. Heart of the lion, wings of the eagle, and apparently the stubbornness for Raging Bull. That was a very potent shot on Angry Bird. A little bit of a gyro effect. The weapon,
I don't know if you noticed, but like some robots' wheels are very sharp. Those are tweaks to dig into the floor of the Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
You're a bit of crunching, Frank, coming from the motor in there. I'm not sure if it's up to full speed, but it is still spinning and still taking chunks out of Leona. He wants to get around to that juicy 3D printer. I'm not sure it's ABS, I'm not sure it's PLA, but whatever it is getting way. Solid shot to the back. Not really much taken off there, but I do worry very much about Leona's, the right side of the plow kick tends to come off. The chassis is too impacted.
Yeah, that's always the problem we have to deal with.
I hate when it messes somebody's.
Angry Bird is kind of slipping sliding across the arena right now.
Oh, this part.
The plow itself.
I want more of that.
They will come.
I'm not going to say chassis damage is necessarily superficial, but it can be kind of problematic if continual engagement occurs and bird robots are still going at it full bore. Very effective work here by Leona. First time bot, first time driver, not really much more than a little practice from my understanding. We're under a minute left in this fight. These fights go for 3 minutes. The robot is not knocked out before those 3 minutes are up. It then goes to the judges who are marking on control, aggression, and damage. Unfortunately, style is not an option anymore. It looks like something got knocked out. It looks like one of the mounting screws for the right side of that plow. The right side maybe needs a little bit more reinforcement. It looks like it's taking most of the brunt of Angry Bird's attack. Looks like we're getting down to the final few moments here. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4,